Hello, my name is Jonathan Azona and I'm from the RAUNAT of the JAC Colombia headquarters. In this time, I will show how the installation or management of helpdesk tools in Dombit starting with PSD helpdesk. Initially, I do it in virtual machine on my computer. Here are we have to installation the SAMP file that acts as virtual server. We have a detective the URC to installation it if it a file and the Apache does not run, and we installation the SAMP. When it finish, we give permissions and start the server. Now is the PSD. Inside it in the copy in where the SAMP is in the folder htdocs and process to open the PSD installer that is in the folder that we use copied in the setup it. We copy the routes and paths into the Explorer in localhost admin index PHP. We must solve the notification that the Wi-Fi be ending PHP init in the PHP folder that is in SAMP. We solve this. There we look for error reporting and we add these lines so that we get the news and sales and no longer we go ahead the notification. Now we must restart the service of the service configuration. If we want the language, we create a database. To put database, we create a user admin in localhost with password. We give to privilege so that you can do everything and without limit. We do not modify anything. We configure the access, we put what we would create and say 10. Then we access to create the tablet, then the email in a SMTP server of Outlook. We work in the port 587 and we write our mail with password and save. At this point, we are going to create a desktop with a code, name, password, mail. In the sector to place 1, we will be IT. Now we go to the activities of the ticket that we are going to create without modifying them in the general parameters of the same, and we start and finish the installation of the PSD helpdesk. Now the access it will verify that there is the file index PHP in the folder SAMP htdocs PSD212 in the browser location host PSD we plug index. We leave the access section empty and we are ordered in PHP. Now as we are the administration, we can create other use by adding the information we need and saving it. In the same way can create areas. Now we are going to create a ticket where we assign the user and the system fields used with the information of the scene. We play that was the incident, comments of the scene, and the attachment that it has. The priority, process, state, we assign it to user, the type, the date among and others, and we keep. I missed the contact already. This can be accessed via the web by modifying localhost via www.yourserver. Another tool that I want to show you in a short while is Jira or Atlassian. We had a demo that can do download for free and set up your computer because it takes a while to load the page. Big have 10 open. The enter is what already configures the user, the power, permissions of the project level, and other in every sample. Almost intuitive to which I will not be impulsive. Now I want to show you how to present pending records, dependency, incident, development, queries, and tasks where we can detail data in their priority, high, medium, and low, showing the entire history, only activity, showing the pending time, the state. If we enter on the test tickets, we find more detailed information source of a name, description, title, place, environment, attachment, involved use of necessary. I can assign it to solve it, allowing me as responsibility for it. You can observe the time remaining and the estimate. We workflow in a BPM diagram and Kanban diagram to make it clearer. This tool has different types and graphical reports to see the management of the incident, taking as example the cumulative flow diagrams showed in the incident and their states after the time. Pie chart aids by assignment or by resolved case. Graphs of the resolved incidents again created to see all progress and other survived managed reports. This is just a summary of Helpdesk tools. And thank you for joining me, and we will see you in next video. Bye.